we really want to start with a high value problem. The problem is a lot of people, they make the mistake when they're starting to sell 3D printed products by going after easy to print stuff. And the problem with low price stuff, if your product isn't tangible in the way that it serves someone, it's going to be hard to charge a lot of money for it. Now, I think a lot of people get blocked with the idea that 3D printing is mostly plastic and people don't pay a lot of money for plastic stuff. And that's completely not the case. And then next, we're going to overlay that with a problem that's low competition. Probably going to be the ugliest Venn diagram anyone's ever seen. Hopefully you can bear with me. Now that should be fairly self-explanatory, the low competition part. And then we need to do it in a growing market. You can have 2 of these and it's enough. But if you want a product that really takes off, you want a growing market. This is the golden area. That will not be a surprise as to that's where we're aiming for, the sweet spot between all 3.